Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a gorgeous executive type house which has breathtaking views of the city. The house sits on a half acre, but the owners bought the half acre adjacent to the house to preserve the beautiful city views. So it's a total of 1 acre for sale. The house is disposed over 3 floors and is located in Mayfair, Kingston. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms upstairs, a guest bedroom and bath, plus 3 studios are on the lower floor. The primary bedroom is extra large with an ensuite bathroom. The jacuzzi tub and shower, as well as a walk-in closet, make this room one of the favorites in the house. There is an upstairs sitting room with a cozy office steps away from the living room. The substantial kitchen has upper and lower hardwood cupboards with Korean countertops, and its bay window faces the front yard and brings in tons of light. Manicured and well laid out gardens make this yard a dream to wander in. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is Jamaican 105 million or US $682,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.